Good morning, and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy and also to Catherine's Garden. I'm out here because I am thinking about working on my little new patch of garden that I'm trying to do some composting and building up some leaf mold. I'm also going to be putting some fresh cardboard in that area. And what it is that I want to do is I want to create an expanded garden area on the side of the house here. And but I don't want to spend the money on soil and so forth when I can actually create compost and also create a real healthy soil in that area. Now, we did that in the other part of the garden. Let me see if I can direct over here and that side of the garden right there, that the back garden there. That is exactly what my husband did, and it worked out very well. He just built it up over the time and over the years, but I'm going to try and see if we could do this a little quicker. But first I'm going to start with the leaves and the cardboard and the compost, and I've been putting some dirt there and allowing the worms and the microbial things to just do their job, do their work. It is December, so it's a little chilly out here, so I'm not going to be spending too much time out here, but it is great to get in the garden and to see the freshness of the garden. And it's sunny, and I love the sun, so come with me as I walk through the garden. Because of the winter and the cold, it just makes you contemplate what is going on with life. And it's almost like if we have a clean slate here, right? And we can dream and plan and design something new. The garden is just allowing us to have an opportunity to plan. And I like this because I'm already getting some ideas as what I want to do to this area here. And just the cleanup. I know that I didn't clean up as much as I should have. However, the opportunity in the spring will come. And then I know I planted bulbs all around here just to see where the bulbs come up. It's like anticipation of what can happen and what will be. It takes faith to believe that the garden will come back when it looks so dead right now, you know? So this is what I've done so far. My husband and I came out and we gathered the leaves here and we created this area here. Now there are a lot of other leaves down below there. There are a lot of other leaves that are in this section here. And it's just, we've just been building it up. So I'm getting a chance to aerate it. Now down in the bottom is still moist, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of the cardboard on top. So I'm going to level it out, and I think in a couple of days we're going to get some more rain, and that will help to actually level it some more. So things are kind of dry, but underneath the cardboard and underneath the leaves, it's moist. It's still damp. The earth is damp. So hopefully the worms are working and doing their thing. And this is pretty much what it looks like here. And here's the cardboard that I'm working with. Now I tried to implant some garlic here. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I did put the garlic there. And I was able to mulch the different fruit trees. Here I mulched the plum tree. I hope you could see this. But basically, I just wanted you to see how I've leveled out this, and I'm going to level it out some more because I did plant some things underneath there and I don't necessarily want them to die off. I hope it was recording all this time. I was busy recording and nothing was happening. I hope that it's recording, but you can see the green, right? And the arborvitae and so forth. And I just like this area here, even though it's kind of dry. I think that you can see the green, and green means life, so I know that there's still hope for the garden. So look at that. And take a look over here. We could take a look over here and see the Brussels sprouts. Do you see that? I hope you could see that. Very quiet out here too because it's so cold. People are they're not spending time outside of the garden like I am. Yeah, they're pretty much so let's go back up this way. I'm going to show you what I did. So this is how I've put it together now with the cardboard, and I put the pots on top to keep it steady, and just continue to come out and turn things around and make sure that everything is in place.